Guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at upgrading or updating a Proxmox server. So right now we are on the homepage of my Proxmox. We are at the login page, and now we're going to log in and see if we have any updates to do. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in my credentials. And now we're in, we are on this page and we can look at the summary. We can see what's what. We can say I have no subscriptions, how many virtual machines running, how many containers running, etc., how many that are stopped. And we can also go to the PVE node and see the summary of what's going on overall on my server itself. Now, normally the way I would do it to update is that I would basically go to the node first and scroll down all the way here and go to the update. And when I see that I have a few packages to do, normally you just hit upgrade. So in our case, we're going to hit refresh. This is going to go on different repositories and see if there is anything new to grab. And when you see task OK, you can close, and this page is going to refresh. Now that we know that all of this is basically all of the stuff that we have to upgrade, you can see that you have the current version and then the new version for each of these. Normally, I don't mind. I don't actually go into the weeds and see what's what with all of this, but if you guys understand any of these file names and what they mean, then you can actually go through and visualize and see what's been updated or not. So let's hit upgrade and see what happens. So that's going to upgrade. I'm going to make this bigger for you guys to see. Hold on. Can I zoom in here? All right, here we go. So now it's basically asking me, do you want to continue? I'm going to hit yes, enter, and this is going to go on for a while. So we're going to let this continue. So 473 megabytes fetched. So it's basically going to go through each of the packages and update it. Let's give it time. All right, now that it has been completed, we can close this window. And if we refresh this page again, it's going to go ahead and read the packages. And when we see task OK, we click OK here. And now that's how you update Proxmox. So normally the other thing that I will do, since the Proxmox is based on Debian, what I would do is go on the shell and hit apt update and then apt upgrade. And then that should find nothing because everything has been also updated. I do also believe that when you actually go here to the updates, it's actually doing the apt update in the background. You're just basically getting it in a GUI here. So now if we do refresh this, our Proxmox has been updated to the last version, and that's how you update your Proxmox. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more.